Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to crop your images inside in the form of circle here. So this is a premium script that I written from scratch. This is my own source code. You can see I have listed this script on my website store here, which is procodestore.com. Here you can purchase the script here for 20 rupees here, Indian rupees. So I have given the link in the video description of this website. So here you can just click the purchase button and you can just purchase the script. And now let me just show you the live demo of the script here. So this is a simple index.html file here that I developed the script here. So after you download this, there will be a zip file. You just need to extract that zip file after you purchase here, and you will see you will get this simple interface here. You will see, and simply you need to choose file here. And now inside this dialog box, pop-up box, you will see various options here. You can select from various social networks such as Facebook, Google Drive, Google Photos, Dropbox, Instagram, Flickr, and OneDrive. And you can also choose from local drive as well. So let's suppose I select this image. Let's suppose any image. Let's suppose I take this image, and now I can select this. This is the cropper here. You can see I can crop this image inside of a circle here. You can even resize it as well, like this accordingly. After you are done here, simply click this done option. That's it. And now it will crop this image here inside the form of a circle here. You can see. Again, if you need to edit this, you can just edit this accordingly and then press the done option and then right click save image as and save this image onto your computer. That's it. This is very simple stuff. All the image formats are supported: PNG, JPG, all that stuff. If I open this image, you will see it is successfully cropped inside of a form of a circle. So this is a very simple script that I written in JavaScript. So if you want the source code, the link will be there inside the video description. Just purchase it for 20 rupees. I have listed it on my Proco store website here. This is my premium store where I provide premium scripts. So this is 20 rupees here. Click the purchase option and then it will guide you at the checkout option. Various payment gateways are available. Just input your own first name, last name, and phone number is also required, and email address. Simply put this stuff. And first of all, guys, you need to also register here. So before purchasing it, you need to register, because after registering it, you will be able to get this download for lifetime. So once you register here, let me just guide you how to do this. First of all, we can just log out here, confirm and log out. So once you go to this website, there are also various options which you can do here. In the home here, there are various products that you can hear: YouTube video, thumbnail, JavaScript. All these products are available, but for specific video here I have just make this project here. So simply click this, and before you need to register here, so simply you need to register here. Simply click on register and provide your email address, and then click on register. It will just the password will be sent to your email address, and then you can add this product to your cart, and then you can purchase it. Various payment options are available, such as, let me just show you. If you click purchase here, you will see various payment options which are Instamojo is very much easy, guys. Instamojo provides all the, it can handle Paytm as well as you can pay it from debit card, credit card also. So Instamojo is default selected. If you can pay it with Paytm QR code as well. UPI also, if you are using Paytm, Google Play, Bheem. And if you are an international user, guys, if you are watching it from outside India, you can use this PayPal method. You can enter your email address and then pay it. Only 20 rupees are there. So very less fees I am just charging you for this product. So definitely purchase this product. And once again, I need to show you one more demo here. If I need to select an image, let's suppose from Google Drive. Let's suppose you select this Google Drive, and then it will pop out all your Google Drive images. Let's suppose I click logout here, and then it will have this option connect to Google Drive. So you will be able to select your Google account here. Let's suppose I select this again, this account here. You need to grant permission here. Let's suppose click allow here, That's it. And now it will pull all the images here. So simply I collect this image. So it will pull this image profile.jpg. So now you can see we can crop this image accordingly like this. So very simple application that I developed, guys. So definitely purchase it. The link will be there inside video description for only 20 rupees. So you can see. You can also get this photographs from Instagram also. Let's suppose you need to, you can also connect to Instagram as well. So very simple. Click allow here, just allow permission here. So very simple application. In this way you can just, so let's suppose I select this image. I need to crop this image. So accordingly you can select, you can crop this image like this. So very simple cropper. Click on done and that's it. Very simple. Click save image as and save your image. This is a JPG image, you can see. So all the image formats are supported, and you can definitely import images from various social networks. And this is kind of an application that you can monetize also. So just for 20 rupees you can purchase it, and then you can also monetize your own website. You can upload this script into your own website and also monetize it. So very simple stuff. And there are more. You can also import it from Facebook as well. Click on continue with Facebook. So very simple stuff, guys. Definitely check out this continue as Gotham, so you will see. So you will get all the images that you upload on Facebook like this. Let's suppose I select this. Again we will crop this like this. Click on done. That's it. So this is as easy as it gets here. So the link will be there inside the video description, guys. And after registering it, you need to go to UploadCare website that I developed using UploadCare API here. So this, you need to go to it. Just sign up, and after signing up inside this website, you need to get your API key. This is very simple. So after you get your API key, so simply you need to go to your account option. They provide a free API key as well. So inside your own option you will get your own API key. So definitely include your own API key. So I will not show my API key. So if you just download the zip file, you need not have to go to this website. I have provided a free API key as well. So I'm just showing you. If your API key just expires, you can just go to this website, sign up it, and then provide your own website API key also. So definitely purchase this product, guys. The link will be there inside the video description. And also more products are also listed out for only 15 rupees, 30 rupees. So definitely check out these more products as well. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.